What's up, YouTube? Thanks for clicking on another exciting episode of Project 253. So tomorrow, there's a car show at that Naperville Dragway, big tuner show, some drifting going on. Don't know if I'm gonna drift yet, but I'm thinking about it. So there's a few little things I want to do to this car to clean it up a bit, make it look good, make it look more complete since I'm missing like a door panel and stuff. And also, the guys at Car Fever's shop came through for me again, and I've got a prop quick release for the steering to mount. So we're gonna take care of that stuff, get it looking good for the show. And also, my next door neighbor, Mr. Jared Templeton, asked me if he could drive this car to his graduation. I said, yeah, sure. Gotta try to make it look good for him and his date for the evening. Special event, let's get to it. Even though it's heading in that direction, this car is not in full drift mode yet, so it still looks pretty good, still looks pretty streetable. The only thing that looks really bad right now, honestly, is that interior door panel I had to take out to put the Sparco Evo seat in it. So I'm gonna see if I can put something together that's gonna make that look kinda almost okay. I'm thinking more about Jared for his grad. I'm gonna try to make a little interior door panel, maybe put some black vinyl on it, see what else I got, make it a little bit cool, a little fancy. That's step one. So I got a door panel. I took that corrugated plastic, cut it to fit, cut the right size. Some 3M tape, double-sided tape, and some vinyl, you can do anything. This is the NRG quick steering release. Model number SRK-200RD. RD I'm going to assume is a color code. And I got it in red because there's a lot of interior parts in that car are red. So what do we have here? Ooh, a sticker. Everybody loves stickers. And a little catalog in case you're not happy with what you bought and you want to buy a bunch of other junk. Also, we have a paper thing. This is actually part numbers for all the different car applications. This is a warning thing. Dear customer, you're crazy for buying this part. You're gonna get arrested for having an illegal car, yada yada. And this is the quick release. What else is in here? Got the foam insert thing. The cardboard thing. I believe this will be so you can set up the ground for your horn. There's your little screws to fasten it down. So to get all that stuff in there, I'm gonna have to take off the one that's in it. Now the reason I'm changing it is because the one that's in the car I find is weak and I don't trust it. It shakes around a little bit. Not cool for a car that you're bringing to the racetrack. So let's take this simple one out. Simple as this. Turn the thing, steering wheel falls off. Like, look at that. So, take it out and I'll get right back to you. So this is the old steering hub. This piece bolted to the steering wheel. Look how thin that is. And this is the piece on the steering column that would lock it in. It's in like so. Turn it and lock it. Of course, it's not working right now. Murphy's Law. If I wasn't filming, it would work right away. Anyway, you get the point. This is the new one. Look at the difference in that. And this one comes apart. Before I go ahead and put the new quick release on, there's just one little issue I want to sort out with the steering column on this car first. That is this little rubber piece here. I could not for the life of me get that thing to fit properly ever. It's always just like a little too small and then it keeps just popping off. So, heat gun, it's plastic. You can mold it a little bit. We'll try that. So as that cools off, mount the steering wheel. So today was rather productive. I got the door panel done, looks okay. And also I put on the NRG quick release. Big improvement over the other one I had. The other one was like a $60 part. This NRG quick release was like 140 bucks. So right there, I always tell people it's like a pair of shoes. You buy quality shoes, it's good, they'll last you a long time. Buy shitty shoes, that stuff will break on you in a few days. Same thing when it comes to car parts. If you don't get quality stuff that works properly, you're not going to be happy with it. That being said, all that's left to do now is take the car outside and wash it. So dudes and dudettes, everybody watching this, thank you so much for watching again and again and again. I appreciate it more than you could possibly imagine. So if you could, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the little bell icon so you're notified every time a new video comes out, which lately has been always Tuesday morning, Thursday morning, Saturday morning. I try to keep this stuff going as much as I can for you guys. It's tough because I got a full-time job. I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I don't have sponsorships. I don't really have anybody helping me except for some good friends. hit the subscribe button, like, share these videos on social media wherever you can. So let's get that ball rolling. Come along for the ride. This is TC Project 253. Peace out and stay happy.